Right, consider this chemistry question. Which of the following metals cannot replace hydrogen from water or steam? Here we have sodium, magnesium, iron, calcium, and copper. Now, this is a question trying to test your understanding of reactivity of different metals with water. Now, before you even go far in the chemical world, if you look at this option, it's even easy to answer without considering any much chemical facts like that. So you will understand that copper has to be the answer. So reason is that out of all these metals, if you put copper wire inside water, so there is no reaction that you will notice. So copper, if you put copper inside, I'm not talking about a connected copper. So I mean copper that is not connected to electricity. So if you put it inside water, it can stay there for long, no reaction occurs. So this is the only one that doesn't react with water. But every other one, starting with sodium reacts vigorously with water. So if you put sodium in water, it can even explode depending on the amount. Then magnesium reacts with steam. So this one too. Then iron also reacts with water, because if you put iron inside water, or when iron stays inside water for a long time, iron rust will start forming. So that shows that iron can react with water and it can replace hydrogen. So, and it will form iron 3 oxide. That's the iron rust. Then calcium too can react with cold water. So all these four can react with water. It's only copper. But apart from this natural facts, you can also use your reactivity series. So in the reactivity series, so all the elements, all the metals that are higher than carbon and than hydrogen in the reactivity series, they can replace hydrogen. So, but the ones that are lower, that are below hydrogen, that are beneath hydrogen in the reactivity series, those ones cannot replace hydrogen. So you can always remember that with a mnemonic, the reactivity series. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves good. K stands for please, that's potassium. Stop, that's sodium. Calling, that's calcium. Me, that's magnesium. A, that's aluminium. Careless, that's carbon. Zebra, that's zinc. Instead, I stands for iron. Iron. Try, that's tin. SN. So instead, try learning. L stand for lead. PB. Try learning how H stands for hydrogen. Copper, how copper saves good. Copper is Cu. Save, S is silver. That's argentum. Gold, that's Au. So these are, you can see that copper is below hydrogen, while other ones are above hydrogen. So the higher you go, the more reactive the metal becomes. So copper is the best answer to this. So thank you. God bless you.